Welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. Need to settle up a dinner bill or get paid for a quick gig? You don't need to ask for someone's email address anymore. Today I'm showing you how to request money wherever your conversation is already happening using the new PayPal links and the updated Request Hub. So just open up your PayPal and tap on Request or Send. So you go to Send. Then select request, and you can now search by name, username, or phone number. You can also now request from Venmo users directly inside the PayPal app. Just pick your contact, enter the amount, and add a personal touch. You can also add stickers or AI-generated animations to your request to keep it friendly and clear. Also, guys, if you don't have their contact info, you can use the PayPal link. So, for example, we just type in PayPal link, okay? And you just need to set one up. It's actually pretty easy. So it's going to be here, the donate button. And you just set your amount in it and hit share. And also you can text this link, DM it on Instagram, or even send it via WhatsApp. So you just get a link, copy it. Of course, don't forget to customize it right here, right, in this interface. Also, you can customize this link, just click on it, and there's going to be all the settings for how much money you're requesting, etc. And what if they forget? You can go to your activity tab in your interface here on PayPal, and here you can see all pending requests. You just tap the request and hit send reminder. And PayPal will send a gentle push notification to their phone. And that's it. You can use a link, a QR code, or a direct app request. See you next time, guys, and thanks for watching.